Good morning, student. Today we will discuss differential equation of differential equation type 2 problems. Type 2 problems. Okay. Then f of d of y is equal to phi of x. F of d of y is equal to phi of x. Then phi of x is not equal to 0. If phi of x is not equal to 0, we call it as a non-homogeneous equation. Okay. Then phi of x, if phi of x is contains sine term sin ax and cos ax. Sine term and cos ax. Okay. In type that equation we call it as a type 2 problem. Okay, phi of x is contains sin x and cos ax. We call it as a type 2 problems. Okay. Then particular integral of the form sin ax by f of t square. Okay. And cos ax divided by f of d square. Okay. This means in place of d square we have to substitute minus a square. Okay. In place of d square we have to substitute minus a square. Then minus a square is not equal to minus a whole square. Understood this concept? Minus a square is not equal to minus a whole square. Then minus 9 square is minus 9 o square. What will get? Minus 9 square is minus 81. Minus 9 o square is 81 plus 81. Means this minus 81 plus 81 is not equal. Okay. Understood? Minus a square is different. Minus a whole to the power of o square is different. Okay. Sine particular integral is equal to sine ax by f of minus a square if denominator is becoming a 0. Okay. Substitute minus a square. What will happen? Denominator is becoming a 0. If denominator is equal to 0, okay, then what we have to do means multiply x in numerator into sine ax, then whole divided by f dash of d. Okay. Then similarly in place of d square we have to substitute minus a square. Okay, here x sine ax f dash of minus a square. Okay, then again denominator is becoming a 0. Okay, what we have to do means multiply x in numerator and differentiate the denominator, means f double dash of d. Then next x into x square sine ax, then f double dash of in place of d square we have to substitute we have to substitute minus a square. Okay, we have to substitute minus a square. Then similarly phi of x is cos ax by cos ax. Then what we have to do means particular integral is cos ax divided by f of d square, okay, means in place of d square we have to substitute f of minus a square. Okay, then if denominator is becoming a 0, what we have to do means multiply the x in numerator, into cos ax whole divided by f of f dash of d square, d square. Then again multiply. Then here x into cos ax by f double dash of in place of d square substitute here minus a square. Okay, again denominator is again becoming a 0. What we have to do means multiply x in numerator, x into x cos ax whole divided by f double dash of d square. Okay, x into x is x square into cos ax whole divided by f double dash of minus a square, Okay, we have to continue this type only, this process only. Then next we have to solve the problem. Okay, take this problem, solve d square minus 1 y is equal to cos 2x. Okay, d square minus 1 y is equal to cos 2x. Then find the auxiliary equation here. M square minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, here m square is equal to 1. Then m is equal to plus or minus 1. Then write down yc here. Yc is equal to c1 e to the power of x plus c2 e to the power of minus x. Yc is equal to c1 e to the power of x plus c2 e to the power of minus x. Okay, here phi of x is a cos 2x. Phi of x is a cos 2x. We need to find the particular integral yp. Okay, here yp is equal to cos 2x by d square minus 1. Then next, observe here in type 2, in place of d square we have to substitute minus a square. In place of d square we have to substitute minus a square. Okay, here cos ax compared to cos 2x. Here in place of a, what is there here? 2. Okay, here a is equal to 2. Means in place of d square, we have to substitute minus 2 square. Then yp is equal to cos 2x divided by minus 2 square minus 1. Then cos 2x divided by minus 5. Cos 2x divided by minus 5. Okay. Then write down yc is equal to yc plus yp. Okay. Yc is equal to y is equal to yc plus yp. Okay. Then here yc is equal to what? C1 e to the power of x plus C2 e to the power of minus x plus yp is cos 2x by minus 5. Cos 2x by minus 5. Here y is equal to yc plus yp is C1 e to the power of x plus C2 e to the power of minus x plus cos 2x by minus 5. Okay. Then take down next second problem. Sin 3x divided by d square plus 4d plus 3. Okay, take down next problem. D square y by dx square plus 4 dy into dx plus 3y is equal to sin 3x. Okay, sin 3x. Then we know that d by dx is equal to capital D, and also d square by dx square is capital D square. Then d square y plus 4d y plus 3 into y is equal to sin 3x. Then take down y common here. D square plus 4d plus 3 y is equal to sin 3x. Okay. Then write down auxiliary equation. In place of d, you have to replace d to m. Okay. In place of d, you have to write down m square plus 4m plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, find out the roots here. Then 4, 3 into 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 into 4 means plus 3m plus m plus 3 is equal to 0. Plus 3 is equal to 0. Then take down here m square plus 3m. Take down m common here. m plus 3 plus 1 into m plus 3 is equal to 0. Means m plus 1 is equal to 0. M plus 3 is equal to 0. Means m is equal to minus 1. M is equal to minus 3. M is equal to minus 3. Okay. Then the roots is here. M is equal to minus 1, comma minus 3. M is equal to minus 1, comma minus 3. Then write the complementary function. Here roots are different. Roots are different. Okay, yc is equal to c1 e to the power of minus x plus c2 into e to the power of minus 3x. C2 into e to the power of minus 3x. Okay, then we need to find yp. Yp is equal to phi of x divided by f of d. Okay, according to this problem, phi of x is sine 3x whole divided by d square plus 4d plus 3. Okay, then the next step here, sine 3x means here a is equal to 3, means in place of d square we have to substitute minus a square, means in place of d square we have to substitute minus 3 square. Okay, yp is equal to sine 3x whole divided by, in place of d substitute here minus 3 square plus 4d plus 3. Then next, sine 3x divided by 4d minus 9 plus 3 minus 5. Okay, minus 5. 9 plus 3 is minus 6. Minus 9 plus 3 is minus 6. Then here d square term is not there. Okay, we have in denominator observe here 4d minus 6 is there. D square term is not there. Means what we have to do means sine 3x divided by 4d minus 6 into 4d plus 6 multiply in numerator and 4d plus 6 multiply in denominator. Okay, then the next what will happen here, sine 3x is equal to 4d plus 6 into sine 3x whole divided by 4d minus 6 into 4d plus 6. Okay, you know that a minus b into a plus b, we are writing a square minus b square. We are writing a square minus b square. Okay, then 4, then differentiation of sine 3x. Differentiation of sine 3x plus 6 into sine 3x. 6 into sine 3x whole divided by 4d minus 6 into 4d plus 6. We are writing 4d square minus 6o square. Then 4, differentiation of sine 3x. Differentiation of sine 3x is 3 into cos 3x plus 6 sine 3x. Okay, 4d square means 16. D square is minus 1 square. Okay, minus 6o square is 36. 6o square is 36. Okay, then 4 3s are 12. Here observe here 4 into 3 cos 3x plus 6 into sine 3x whole divided by 16d square is there. 4d square is 16d square minus 636. Then in place of d square we have to substitute. Observe here 3 is there, means we have to substitute minus 3 square. Minus 3 square. Okay, then 4 3s are 12 cos 3x plus 6 sine 3x whole divided by Okay, minus 3 square is what? Minus 9. 16 into minus 9 is minus, um, minus 177. 16 into 3 is 16 into 3 is 16 into 9 is 144 minus 144 minus 36. Okay, then 12 cos 3x plus 6 sin 3x minus 144 minus 36 is minus 180. Minus 180. Okay, then next take down here 6 common. 2 cos 3x plus sin 3x whole divided by minus 180. Minus 180. Then simplify. 6 ones are 6 threes are 18, means 6 thirties are 18. Then 2 cos 3x plus sin 3x whole divided by minus 30. Whole divided by minus 30. Okay, then y is equal to yp is here 2 cos 3x plus sin 3x whole divided by minus 30. Then y is equal to yc plus yp. yc is nothing but c1 e to the power of 3 minus 3x plus c2 e to the power of minus x plus 2 cos 3x plus sin 3x whole divided by minus 30. Whole divided by minus 30. Okay, this is the required answer. This is the required answer. This is the required answer. Any doubt? Then take down one more problem. Okay, next I will continue the next I will do the next problem in I will do in next class. Okay, thank you very much.